Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your school community, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a new calendar event into your school community? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a calendar event into your school community anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, running a school community, sometimes you're going to have community events, whether in person or on a Zoom call. And by adding it onto your calendar, you're not going to have to message every single member to join in on that event. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your school community dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my school community, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a new calendar event, here on the top, you're going to click on calendar. Once you do that, you're going to click on this plus icon here on the top right. All right, once you do that, you can go ahead and add a calendar event. So for example, if I'm running a movie group, maybe I'm going to end up having a movie discussion every Friday. So we'll just put this as Friday movie discussion. Okay. And then let's go ahead and change the date to Friday. So we'll start on the 11th. And then we're going to have this every day at 6 p.m. because people are working during the day. We'll do 6 p.m. and it's going to last for an hour. Here you want to make sure you choose the correct time zone. Otherwise, people are going to be joining in at the wrong time. So for me, I work on Phoenix time, so I'm going to leave it there. And then if this is a recurring event, you can click here on recurring, and then you can choose the recurring event. So this is going to be weekly, so I'm going to repeat only one time every week. If it's monthly, you can go ahead and change that, or yearly. And then I'm going to repeat on Fridays, and then you can choose an end date. So if you choose never, it's going to be on your calendar ongoing forever. But maybe we're only going to do the movie discussions for the next 4 weeks. Here you can go ahead and put a location. So if you're meeting somewhere, you can go ahead and put in the address 123 Main. If you're going to be on a Zoom call, you can go ahead and click here and then add the Zoom link right there. Here you can add a description, Friday movie discussion. All right, here, this is important. Who is going to be able to join this event? All of your members, certain members, maybe VIP members who are at a certain level, or members that are already joined one of your courses. For me, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at all members. And then also you can send a reminder email to your users one day before the meetings if you wish to do so. I'm not going to do that. And then you're going to click on add. Okay, now you can see we have a new event that we set up right here in our school calendar. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a new event in your school community calendar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.